How to fix Instagram has stopped on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick on your Android or iOS phone. First, open Play Store and here you will find Instagram. Now just click, if you found here update, click on it and your problem will be fixed. And if you can't find an update here, then just go to settings, this one for Android phones, go to apps again, type here Instagram and click on it, then click for stop and go to permissions, give it all of those permissions here, all of those, and go to storage, clear cache. If that doesn't fix your problem, clear data, you will need to log into all your accounts, but your problem will be fixed. And that's it, see you in the next video and don't forget like.